Why waste money on overpriced, store-bought greens that lack flavor and freshness? Microgreens are tiny, powerful plants that you can easily grow at home, requiring minimal space and effort. These young greens are not only packed with nutrients, but are also ready to harvest in just a couple of weeks, giving you a constant supply of fresh, healthy food. Imagine never having to worry about the quality or safety of your greens again. Growing your own microgreens means you'll always have access to the freshest, most flavorful greens possible. Plus, you'll save a ton of money and experience the unmatched satisfaction of growing your own food. Microgreens are young vegetable greens that are harvested just after the first true leaves have developed, typically when they are about 1 to 3 inches tall. They are known for their intense flavors, vibrant colors, and high nutrient content. These tiny plants are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, often containing higher concentrations of nutrients compared to their mature counterparts. So, why should you care about growing microgreens right now? In a world where food quality and safety are increasingly uncertain, having a reliable source of fresh, nutrient-dense greens at your fingertips is a game changer. Imagine the peace of mind knowing exactly where your food comes from and that it's free from harmful chemicals and contaminants. Plus, with rising grocery prices, growing your own microgreens can save you a significant amount of money, while ensuring you always have access to the freshest produce. The trend of growing microgreens is exploding because people are realizing the incredible benefits of these tiny greens. Popular microgreens to grow at home include arugula, basil, beet greens, radish, and kale. Each variety offers unique flavors and health benefits, making them a versatile addition to your diet. Arugula adds a peppery kick, basil brings a sweet and aromatic touch, beet greens offer earthy flavors, radish provides a spicy bite, and kale contributes a mild, slightly bitter taste. Growing these microgreens at home not only ensures a fresh supply, but also lets you enjoy a diverse range of flavors and nutrients right from your kitchen counter. The quality of your seeds is crucial for growing healthy microgreens. Always opt for organic, non-GMO seeds to ensure that your greens are free from harmful chemicals and genetic modifications. This not only benefits your health, but also supports sustainable farming practices. You can purchase high-quality seeds from local garden centers or reputable online suppliers, ensuring you get the best start for your microgreens journey. Choosing the right growing medium is key to the success of your microgreens. You have several options: soil, coconut coir, and hydroponic mats. Soil offers excellent support and nutrients for microgreens, and it's readily available and easy to use. Coconut coir, made from coconut husks, is a sustainable and renewable option that retains moisture well and provides good drainage. Hydroponic mats are ideal for clean and efficient growing, making them perfect for indoor setups. Each medium has its own benefits, so select the one that best fits your growing conditions and preferences. The right container can make all the difference. Shallow trays are ideal for growing microgreens, providing ample space for roots to spread without being too deep. You can also use recycled containers with drainage holes to promote proper water flow and prevent root rot. Consider the size and depth of your containers to ensure they accommodate the types of microgreens you're growing. To successfully grow microgreens, you'll need a few essential tools. A spray bottle is perfect for gently watering your greens without disturbing the seeds or soil. If your indoor lighting is insufficient, grow lights can provide the necessary light spectrum to ensure robust growth. Finally, a pair of scissors will be handy for harvesting your microgreens when they're ready. Setting up your microgreens garden starts with choosing the right location. Select a spot that receives ample light, whether it's natural sunlight or from artificial grow lights. Consistent light is crucial for the healthy growth of your microgreens. Additionally, maintaining a warm and humid environment will help your microgreens thrive, so find a place where you can easily control these conditions. Preparing the growing medium is the next step. Whether you're using soil, coconut coir, or hydroponic mats, make sure it's ready for planting. Proper preparation of the growing medium is essential for the healthy growth of your microgreens. When it's time to sow the seeds, evenly distribute them over the growing medium. Spread them out to avoid overcrowding, which can hinder their growth. If your seeds require it, cover them with a light layer of soil or growing medium. This helps retain moisture and ensures good contact between the seeds and the growing medium, which is crucial for successful germination. Watering your microgreens properly is crucial for their healthy growth. The best practice is to use a spray bottle to mist the soil gently, ensuring even coverage without disturbing the seeds or young plants. It's important to maintain consistent moisture, but avoid overwatering, which can lead to mold and root rot. Keep the soil damp, but not soggy, to provide the optimal environment for your microgreens to thrive. Lighting is another critical factor in growing microgreens. Provide them with adequate light by placing them in a sunny location or using grow lights for 12 to 16 hours a day. This ensures they receive the necessary light spectrum for photosynthesis and healthy development. Adjust the light levels to prevent leggy growth, which occurs when plants stretch towards insufficient light sources. Keeping the light source close to the plants can help maintain compact and robust growth. Maintaining the right temperature and humidity is essential for microgreens. The ideal temperature range is between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Consistently monitor the temperature to keep it within this range. Humidity is also important, especially during the germination phase. If necessary, use a humidity dome to create a humid microenvironment that encourages seed sprouting. Once the seeds have germinated, you can remove the dome to allow better air circulation and prevent mold growth. By following these practices for watering, lighting, and maintaining temperature and humidity, you create the perfect conditions for your microgreens to flourish. With the right care, you'll enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh, nutritious greens right from your home. Knowing when to harvest your microgreens is key to enjoying their peak flavor and nutritional value. Typically, microgreens are ready to be harvested 1 to 3 weeks after sowing, depending on the variety. The ideal time to harvest is when the first true leaves appear, which are the second set of leaves that develop after the initial seed leaves, cotyledons. These true leaves indicate that the microgreens are mature and packed with nutrients. To harvest your microgreens, use a pair of sharp scissors to cut them just above the soil line. This method ensures you get the cleanest cut and reduces the risk of contamination from soil particles. Harvesting in the early morning, when the plants are most hydrated, can also help maintain their crispness and flavor. While microgreens generally do not regrow after harvesting, cutting them cleanly and promptly using the harvested produce will ensure the best quality. After harvesting, store your microgreens in a sealed container in the refrigerator to keep them fresh. Proper storage can extend their shelf life to about a week, allowing you to enjoy fresh greens throughout the week. When it comes to using microgreens, the possibilities are endless. Add them to salads for a burst of flavor and nutrition, layer them in sandwiches for extra crunch, or blend them into smoothies for a healthy boost. Their vibrant flavors and colors can enhance a variety of dishes, making them a versatile addition to your culinary repertoire. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to GardenBound for more expert gardening tips and tricks. Share your microgreen growing experiences in the comments below. Happy gardening!